I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
How y'all doing?
Nice to meet you, Travis.
Kevin. Nice to meet you, man. This is a new battery?
It's the new sodium-ion batteries. These are our hybrid capacitors. They're actually a lithium-ion capacitor. So they're the way they make them, it isn't like a lithium battery and a cap built into one. It's literally a new thing called lithium-ion capacitor. So they make it like a normal capacitor, but they put a little itty bit of lithium in there. It's only about 5% of the normal battery. And it boosts the capacity up a ton. So this is almost like 4 banks of caps for capacity.
In a small.
For your 1500 to 2000 watt stereo, this is all you need in a stock vehicle. And you're gonna maintain 13. So they have a great dealer margin on them, and they're $389 retail.
It's small.
Absolutely. You can put them wherever you need. We sell mounts for them. You just screw the mount down, it snaps down into it. Yeah.
Is there something you can put with a bigger lithium bank?
Yeah, you can add them into larger lithium banks also.
Okay.
So they're compatible with pretty much everything. They're compatible from 9 volts to 16.
Yeah.
So, yep, they're great. We ran one in here, and now I'm running one of these, which is our new sodium-ion batteries. And these are pretty much your dummy-proof batteries. You can run them to 0 volts and jump start them. If you overcharge them to 16, 17 volts, no big deal. Just run them down a little bit, they'll be okay.
Yeah.
If you overcharge them over 20, it'll die, but it will not blow up. But you get that lithium performance, you get a ton of reserve, and the price on these, we're coming out with the HE54. It's going to be able to run your whole stereo system and your car. $599, 3,500 watt standalone rating. So whatever your car produces plus the 3,500 watts.
Oh, you can't beat that.
So, and for $599 and the safety features built into it, it's going to be hard.
That's a plug and play deal.
Yes, yeah, it works. But it doesn't matter if you have a brand new Tesla that has a 15.5 charge system, or if you got a car like mine that charges at 13.8, this will work for you. So that's kind of our thing. We want to make products that are just easy to use. You guys shouldn't have to be battery experts to be able to do any of this.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and the tech's getting there. It's getting there. These are actually the first sodium-ion 12-volt batteries anywhere in the world, not in car audio, anywhere.
Anyway.
So we're really excited. And
Where can you pick them up at?
right now, only at our dealers. So if you go to jypower.com, we have a dealer locator.
Okay.
We have 120 dealers across the entire United States.
Okay.
So we have almost 2 in every single state.
Okay.
So if you can't find them there, you won't find our brand, but Down for Sound, we also white label for them.
Yeah.
If you see the little blue thing over there that looks similar to this, but there's got terminals on top, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But we make those for them so that they can sell them at a little bit lower price online.
Yeah, I understand that.
So they will have their own sodium-ion battery that we manufacture.
But it'll get the same quality.
Exactly.
Okay, then work then.
Exactly, because we're a dealer-based company, and we have to give them a certain margin.
To make it.
And they don't want to see it online either.
Yeah, to make it work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, but JP sells direct, so he's able to sell it a little bit lower price there.
Yeah.
Too.
Okay.
So, but yes, next 2-3 months they will be on the website.
So then he'll have these available too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll
And he's got about 50 of these on the way this week. So
okay. They probably go fast, so I might keep watching out of that.
Yeah. So on his site, his version of it is $299.
Real good.
Yes. So, and we have 1,400 of them out over the last year. We've had 2 failures.
Oh, that's real good.
There's no batteries that keep up with that.
So you can put this up with your regular AGM batteries and stuff?
Absolutely. AGM, SLA, any kind of battery that you're gonna put in your car, you can put with those.
That'll work then in my stock when I get.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what you need in Dodge.
You said you're coming out with a bigger one yet?
Bigger version of this. There is a 4K.
What's that one gonna be rated for?
3,500 standard.
And that one was
$599. It'll only be a little bigger than this.
I've been appreciating it for doing my research.
You're right. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.